Today we're going to work on how to handle a change in estimate for depreciable assets. Here we have a truck originally costing $60,000, expected to last 7 years when we originally got it, with a salvage expected of $4,000. And they depreciated it for 2 years using straight line method, and you can reconstruct that by taking your $60,000 minus your 4 and dividing it by 7 and see that it's $8,000 in year 1 and $8,000 in year 2, so that accumulates to $16,000 accumulated depreciation year 2. But in the third year they realized, for whatever reason, the truck is not going, it's being used heavily or whatever, that it's not going to last the full 7 years. That's a change in estimate. When we have a change in estimate, we don't go back and fix year 1 and year 2. We just fix year 3 going forward. So we would use the book value at the time of the change, which would be the 44, and we put it in the calculation where cost would normally have gone, and then we spread that over the remaining life. So let me show you what I mean. So we would take book minus salvage, 40,000, and divide it by the remaining years. So the remaining years is the current year and any future years. So year 3, 4, 5, and 6, that would be 4 years remaining. So going forward, instead of 8,000, we would depreciate 10,000 a year. Let's look at the second example. What's different in the second example? Instead of changing the useful life, they needed to change the salvage. Okay, so let's use that same process. We take the book value at the time of the change of estimate minus the new salvage and divide by remaining life. Now the remaining life here under this scenario is 5 because we didn't change the useful life. It's still 7. So we have the current year and 4 more to go. So the depreciation expense would now be $8,400 in year 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7.